loves, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my watermarks. The first thing you want to do is open this app called Fonto. Once you open Fonto, click the camera button on the bottom of your screen and then just click on plain images. And now your screen should look like this, and just click on any image and go to color. So at the very bottom, you're going to see something called alpha, and you're going to drag that all the way to 0 in order to make the background transparent. And then just click on use. Now just click anywhere on your screen and add text. Just write down your channel name or your name, whatever you like, just to let them know that it's you. Just like that. Now just click on your watermark and go to size and just change the size of your watermark to your liking. Now switch to style and go to shadow and change alpha and blur to however you like. Also, if you want fonts like these, you can go to Google and search up the font. Search up any font that you want, and Unmetai is an example of one of my favorite fonts. So what you're going to do now is press download and agree to everything, and yeah. You can take inspiration from my watermark, and credits are also not needed. And once you are finished, click on the button that's beside the camera button on the right side and click on save image as PNG. And there you go. And open CapCut and click on overlay. Click on add overlay, and that should bring you to your gallery. Once you've done that, you can bring your watermark to wherever you want in your clip or video.